Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Chevrolet Blazer? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer engine compartment fuse box is designed with a durable, heat-resistant housing to protect critical electrical circuits under harsh engine conditions. It integrates multiple fuses and relays for systems like engine control, cooling fans, ABS, and lighting, ensuring reliable power distribution. Instrument Panel Fuse Box. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer Instrument Panel Fuse Box is compactly integrated inside the cabin for easy driver access and houses fuses for key interior electronics. It protects systems such as the infotainment unit, climate controls, power outlets, and cabin lighting from electrical faults. Rear Compartment Fuse Box. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer Rear Compartment Fuse Box is designed to manage and protect electrical circuits located in the cargo area, including the power liftgate, rear accessories, and auxiliary power outlets. It features a secure, moisture-resistant enclosure with clearly arranged fuses and relays for easy identification. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.